Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on auto security updates in our Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option and how to turn it on. By default it's on, but if you want to check or if we want to turn it on, we need to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy. At the bottom here we have Other Security Settings. Down again, we have security policy updates. By default, this function is on, but if for whatever reason it's turned off or we just want to check, it's hidden right here. What does it do? As you can see from this little short explanation, keep your phone secure with the latest security policy. So, auto security updates are here. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.